Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a BMW 5 Series door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a set of Torx drivers, and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, ensure your window is completely rolled down. This provides better access and helps prevent accidental damage during the process. Then, gently pry off the decorative trim piece surrounding the door handle and the window switch assembly. This initial step reveals hidden fasteners. Now let's tackle the fasteners. You will typically find 2 Torx screws hidden behind the trim piece you just removed, often around the door handle area. Use the appropriate Torx driver to unscrew these. Next, gently pry up the entire window switch panel. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab. Look for any additional screws that might be revealed underneath this panel and remove them. With all screws removed, it's time to release the panel itself. Take your plastic trim removal tool and begin prying gently around the bottom and side edges of the door panel. You will hear the plastic clips disengaging as you work your way around the entire perimeter. Be patient and apply even pressure to avoid breaking the clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to disengage it from the top lip of the door frame. Finally, with the panel lifted, you will see several connections still attaching it to the door. Carefully disconnect the door handle cable. This usually involves unhooking a small ball end from its lever. Next, unplug any remaining electrical connectors, such as those for the door light, speaker, or mirror controls. Once all cables and wires are free, you can safely set the door panel aside, ensuring it won't get scratched or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.